first time in my life, I was truly happy.
Carson, where are you? School ended 3 hours ago. Were you at your father's? Are you two, like, best friends now or something? Just call me back.
I don't know what's more pathetic. The fact that I was actually struck by lightning, or that it took 3 days for anyone to find my body.
Whoa.
It's Carson Phillips. He's dead.
What?
Are you Cheryl Phillips?
Hi, you've reached Carson. Leave a message, Mom.
Carson! I need you to come home right now. This isn't funny.
Hi, you've reached Carson. Leave a message, Mom.
Oh, Carson! There are cops outside who say you're dead. I need you to come. I need you to come home. I need to talk to you. I need you to come home right now.
Hi, you've reached Carson. Leave a message, Mom.
Please answer your phone. Answer your phone. I need to know you're okay. To know you're okay.
Hi, you've reached Carson. Leave a message, Mom. Hi, you've reached Carson. Leave a message, Mom.